You see a hill, and lean your power to the 60. Takes more than an hour, so much rust, it's about to fold. A Project T4 called RestoMold.
Right, it's another day. We're back for another video. So last time we was sort of completing the strip down and everything, getting the last bits out of the engine bay. So next job is to start tackling the rust, sort of the inner arch there and on this wing. So today Rob's going to be getting the wing off, which is fun on these early models because they're spot welded on and not bolted. So you got to go around taking all the spot welds out, being careful not to go straight through and make more holes. Rob's going to start off by getting the door off because there's a nice handy tab that holds it in, tucked right in there. That's going to be a pain in the arse to get the spot welds out. So door off, because we've already got, as you saw previously, we've got the dash out and got all the loom disconnected, so getting the door wiring out was really easy, just because the fact it was just hanging down there and then just pass the bellows back through. So the wiring side was nice and easy. I mean, when we bought this van, it didn't even have any wiring in the doors, so that stuff we've added on already. Would have been easy if we'd just left it alone.
Yeah.
Right, I'll pass you over to Rob and he can...
It would have been boring if we left it alone though.
That's true. I just sort of, you're just looking around all the piles of bits everywhere and
yeah,
remembering that as we keep taking it apart, it does eventually have to go back together. That's in the future.
She'll be good.
You don't worry about the future.
She'll be good. We're going, are we?
Yeah.